are technologies which has the potential of also changing the way we live. Another aspect is that when we as a society is confronted with big challenges like climate change, aging society, we tend very much to look at technology to help us find solutions. Technology has potential of helping find the solutions. It's not the solution alone. And thereby technology in many ways become one of the strongest forces of change in society today. Now that leads to a number of challenges, because technology, science and technology development is both intense and very complex things. And it has the potential of changing the way we live and also challenging us both as individuals and as a society. Therefore, we need responsible and innovative policies regarding technology, regarding the implementation of technology and use of technology in meeting some of the societal challenges. And this policy needs to rest on a knowledge base of sound knowledge about science and technology and the impacts on society. So, to ensure optional, informed and legitimate decisions in Parliament, well, Parliaments need advice on science, on technology and on the effects technology will have on civil society, on the public sector and on the private sector. Now today we see a large number of lobbyists and interest groups, and the number is always growing. So a lot of knowledge is put into policy making. But what there maybe is a lack of is the unbiased and balanced advice about technology development, the advice that does not build on own interest. And technology assessment is a response to this challenge. Technology assessment is a way to bring unbiased and balanced advice into policy. So what is technology assessment basically? Well, it's a knowledge-based policy-making procedure. Knowledge-based policy-making includes different sources of knowledge and different methods of processing knowledge is taken into account and brought into the policy-making process before the decision is taken. This is what technology assessment does when we talk about issues that involve science and technology, which very many societal issues does and very many policy-making issues does. Technology assessment also has a sort of specific focus on policy making and therefore also on parliaments. And that's why we talk about parliamentary technology assessment, which has some special processes and responsibilities towards the parliament, the national parliament. So technology assessment, or TA, is what we call knowledge brokering around societal issues with components of science and technology. The PACITA initiative is a pan-European project. It's funded by the EU Commission under the Framework Program 7. And the aim of PACITA is to strengthen this knowledge-based policy making by strengthening the institutional foundation in Europe of technology assessment. So the overall aim of the project is to help countries that are interested in establishing new PCA institutions in doing that. And parliamentary technology assessment is already established in many European countries today. You can see the list here. The UK, Netherlands, France, Germany, Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Switzerland, Austria and Italy, and also in both Flanders and Catalonia on a regional basis. said, the aim of PACITA is to try to expand this TA landscape to countries where it is not institutionalized. There are 15 partners in the PACITA project. I'm not going to read them out loud. You can see the list here, but they represent quite many different countries in Europe, both countries which have technology assessment and parliamentary technology assessment institutionalized already, and a number of countries where institutionalizing parliamentary technology assessment could be a future aspect. So PACITA action plan. The PACITA project is a 4-year project. It started in 2011 and continues until 2015, and it includes numerous events and actions. So this is the action plan. I'll go through it part by part. The first thing the project is focusing on is documenting the technology assessment practice and institutionalization today. So how is this institutionalized in the countries in Europe where it exists now? This